Do you want to begin investing in stocks but have no idea where to start? In this video, I'll share with you 5 trading platforms you can use to begin trading stocks and investing in your future today. During these times of COVID-19, we're in one of the greatest recessions ever in history, and now is a great time to get into the stock market. I've had several people asking me which trading platforms are the best, and in this video I'll share with you the pros and cons of these 5 trading platforms. Plus, if you stick around, I'll show you how you can earn up to $3,500 just by starting your account today. What's up everybody, I'm Ryan, founder of MindOfTheFinancier.com, where we provide financial education and inspiration to build the lifestyle that you desire. So if you want to see more videos about improving your money mindset, increasing your financial fitness, and becoming money wise, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Number 1. TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is a traditional trading platform that offers many investment options. They offer stocks, options, ETFs, mutual funds, futures, and forex currency trading, many of which can be traded at zero commissions and in real time, which some others do not offer. TD Ameritrade offers free access to all their basic trading platforms, including a web-based trading platform as well as an app-based trading platform available for tablets, smartphones, and even the Apple Watch. While their trading platforms are pretty simple, they are not as simple as some others here in this video. While their web-based and app-based trading platforms are fairly simple to use, they still offer a lot of tools that allow you to grow as an investor. And as you continue to grow, they even offer a professional level trading platform called Thinkorswim. TD Ameritrade also offers a wide variety of education, ranging from personalized education, including a fully immersive curriculum, articles and videos, webcast, and a broadcast network to help you stay up to date on the latest news. While TD Ameritrade offers some of the most diversified tools and education in the industry, they have the highest published margin rates and brokerage assistance fees, which could cost you more money if you decide to become a more diversified investor down the road. Number 2. Fidelity. Fidelity is one of the easiest trading platforms for beginners. Their web and mobile-based platforms are user-friendly and fairly straightforward to use. They also offer some of the lowest margin rates of the online trading platforms and zero commissions on US stocks and ETFs per trade. Fidelity also offers dollar-based trading, which is great for investors who are just starting out and don't have much money to invest. Dollar-based trading allows you to own a portion of a share, whereas when you normally buy a stock you own it in its entirety. Some companies such as Apple and Amazon cost several hundreds or even thousands of dollars per share, so this allows you to own a portion of these shares. However, there are some additional risk and fees that may be associated with this type of trading, so be sure to read the terms and conditions. Fidelity also offers education through online courses, webinars, newsletters, and even interactive coaching. And while Fidelity makes it easy for beginners to find and analyze stocks, it may be harder to find the info you need to make an educated decision as you grow. Fidelity also requires a certain amount of trades per year in order to be able to have access to their higher level trading platforms. Alright guys, if you like this video, be sure to go ahead and hit that like button. Number 3. E-Trade. E-Trade is the original online trading platform and offers web and mobile-based trading platforms like those mentioned before. They also offer a wide variety of investment options from stocks, options, futures, ETFs, mutual funds, CDs, and bonds. E-Trade's Stock Screener and other tools provide industry-leading data analysis. This allows you to be more informed about stocks and ETFs when investing. While this may be overwhelming for beginners at first, this allows you to grow as an investor without having to pay for more advanced trading platforms. E-Trade offers a wide variety of education from news articles and webinars to investment strategies and thematic investing. This allows you to develop your investing skills and makes it easy to diversify and create an investing strategy. E-Trade is one of the few trading platforms that offers incentives, and offers an incentive up to $100 when you transfer or deposit $5,000. You can get started now by clicking the link in the description below. Yes, it's an affiliate link, so I do get paid a commission if you set up an account that meets their criteria. While E-Trade has lots of tools and education available for all levels of investors, their web-based trading platform may be a bit overwhelming for those just starting out, and their basic mobile app is a bit cumbersome. Also, E-Trade offers real-time trading only for their advanced platform, while all other trades are executed in the order that they are received. This shouldn't be a big deal for those just starting out, but can cause headaches for day traders. But at that point, you'll probably want to upgrade to an E-Trade Pro account anyways. Number 4. Simply Wall Street. Simply Wall Street is a newcomer to the web-based trading platforms. Their online platform is simple, clean, and easy to understand. This is great for beginners as it does not allow you to get lost in a sea of data. Simply Wall Street's Snowflake analysis tool makes it easy to compare stocks at a quick visual glance. These charts show the future projected performance of the company, the past performance of a company, the health of the financials of that company, as well as the dividends that they pay and its valuation amongst its peers. They also show you the plus and minuses as rewards and risk analysis for each stock. Simply Wall Street also offers investing ideas based off categories that investors typically look for, such as companies with potential future high growth, undervalued companies, and everything in between, including consumer cyclical stocks and companies too big to fail. This makes it easy for beginners to find stocks based off general criteria instead of researching just the fundamentals of the companies. Simply Wall Street is different from other trading platforms as it requires an annual subscription fee rather than commission-based fees. While they do offer a free learner's plan, this plan only allows you to review 10 company reports. As a beginner, this may be a considerable amount of cost if you don't have much money to invest or you do not plan to make a lot of trades. Simply Wall Street also lacks hardcore technical data, education, and a variety of tools that other trading platforms do offer. Number 5. Robinhood. Robinhood is an app-based trading platform that is very clean and simple to use. This makes it easy to read on those small screens in your pocket and is simple to understand for beginners. The premise of Robinhood is to offer commission-free trades, keeping more money in your account and out of the hands of that company. They do this through technology and simplicity. However, many companies are catching up by offering commission-free trades. Robinhood offers many different investment options such as stocks, ETFs, options, gold, fractional shares like Fidelity, and cryptocurrency trading. Crypto is a big plus over the bigger guys, as trading crypto generally requires a specialized trading account. Robinhood also offers a free stock up to $300 at the time of this recording when you sign up. However, this can be deceiving as 98% of new subscribers only receive a stock valued at $3 to $10. While Robinhood offers educational tools such as a blog, daily newsletters, and a podcast, it lacks any real research tools such as stock screeners or company data analysis, limiting your growth as an investor and leaving you on your own to do your own research.
Alright everyone, if you know someone this video may help, please be sure to share it with them. And now for the bonus material. How to earn up to $3,500 just by setting up your account today. While Robinhood offers a free stock valued up to $300 for its new members, 98% of those people will only receive a stock valued between $3 and $10. Other trading platforms offer incentives from time to time, but E-Trade consistently offers incentives valued up to $3,500 just by depositing and setting up your account today. So if you want to get started, click the link below. Alright guys, if you want to begin building your financial confidence, pay off your debt, generate passive income, and build the lifestyle that you desire, be sure to check out my coaching program. There's a link in the description below. Thank you and namaste.